Welcome to the 3Motional channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of photo editing with Festive Glow presets and Lightroom CC. If you've been wondering how to bring that festive magic into your photos, you're in the right place. Join us as we guide you step by step on how to import Festive Glow presets into Lightroom CC. Get ready to enhance your photos and create stunning visuals. Let's jump right in. Start by downloading the Lightroom presets you want to import. Presets typically come in a.xmp or .lertemplate file format, then launch Lightroom CC on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version of Lightroom CC installed. Click on the Develop module at the top right of the Lightroom CC interface. This is where you can apply and manage presets. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the Presets panel. If it's not visible, click on the triangle icon on the left to expand the panel. Right-click, Windows, or Control-click, Mac, anywhere within the Presets panel, and a context menu will appear. From the menu, select Import. In the Import dialog box, navigate to the location where you saved the downloaded preset files. Select the presets you want to import. You can select multiple presets by holding down the Shift or Control key, Windows, or the Shift or Command key, Mac, while clicking on the presets. Once you've chosen the presets you want to import, click the Import button in the dialog box. Lightroom CC will then import the presets into your library. After the import process is complete, you'll find the imported presets in the Presets panel. They will be organized into folders based on their file structure. Expand the folders to view the individual presets. To apply a preset to your photo, select the image in the Library module or Develop module, then click on the preset you want to use in the Presets panel. The preset will be applied to the selected photo, adjusting its settings based on the preset. Thank you for joining us today and exploring the world of photo editing with Festive Glow presets in Lightroom CC. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in unleashing your creative potential and enhancing your photos with a touch of festive magic. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting editing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep capturing those amazing moments and make them shine with Festive Glow presets. Goodbye and happy editing.